flooded it. Just here. All the tires are flat. I've had this quad for a while now, and there's some huge gaps in this video because it's been an entire winter since I last recorded. So let me just go over some things. Like, I've done carb work. I've finally put in a new battery. It's just dirty because I've been riding it every day, but I've gotten rid of like all the rust has been grinded down. Everything's been adjusted. Suspension's been adjusted. I took the rear brake caliper off because it was seized, and the whole time I was riding on that first ride, it was clamped. I just never knew. This is just that brake fluid line. The other day, my shoelace got pulled in and broke the entire plastic off. My lace just got eaten, man. So I did some like premium high quality mesh work to guard it does the job. Clean the air filter out. All the tires hold air perfectly. There's no issues. This air intake was gone, like there was no mesh, so I put some mesh wire to block snow from going on it, and then I put new foam air filter there. At some point a few weeks ago, the Kickstarter completely snapped off. That's why I had to get a battery. The nut broke, not the crank, so like it's completely fine. The seat doesn't actually clip on. Like, this thing is broken and the clip is broken. I cleaned up all the bars a lot, and I put on a whole new throttle brake assembly because this brake arm just snapped in half, so I had to buy a whole new one. And the throttle on the old one was too short anyways and pretty janky, so I just replaced it. The whole thing is way cleaner and way better than when it was here when it arrived. It really has no issues now. All I want to do is paint the plastics, and that's pretty much it. So anyways, here's the startup. So make it start. So turn the key on, kill switch on, and then just